This stock IMTE is the reason why I look at market capital and also low float whenever I'm picking stocks in the morning. I pay attention to market capital because companies with small market capital always tend to need money. That does not mean that bigger companies don't need. They do, but they are solid companies that they always want to have the company growth and stuff. So I pay attention to the market capital. If a company has below $10 million, I know that at some point they can need money. So that when I'm going in, I have this mindset before I go in. So when I get in, and if it's 20 cents, 40 cents, whatever cents that I get, I'm not going to stay there because the company where the stock was moving up about 300%. IMT to this morning went up about 300%. It started from Friday and the pre-market it went up. So when I look at it and it was down all the way to a dollar. So I put in this here. It was around 808 this time Arizona time. So I put it in a nice circle and gave my stop loss here. As time goes on, the stock went up. It went all the way to $1.66, which was a great move, a huge move. It went all the way to $2.23. Okay. So if you come here, this is Tesla. Why I pay attention to market capital? If you look at Tesla, Tesla has almost 900 billion. So when the stock went up during the market, it continued. When the market closed, it also continued. Now it's almost $300. What happened to IMTE? It went up all the way to 300, all the way to 300%, almost. And then when the market closed, what happened? It dropped. So the small company, market capital companies, they most of them always need money. Most of them don't have the reputation that the big companies have. So even if the news that they put there is embellished, that is it. But if you're a new trader, if you're a beginner trader, those are the things that you want to pay attention to. If you try to pay attention to these things, you're going to win before the market even open. You don't want to be in the market when it's already going. That's where you want to join. No, you have to be on the side. I always hear people say that you have to trade with the big boys, with the institutional traders and stuff. You don't work with Charles Schwab. You don't work with the hedge fund manager. How are you going to know how they are going to trade and what they're doing? There's so many things in here that nobody can manipulate. If you're a beginner trader, those are the things that you have to learn. So, what I would say is always pay attention to the market capital right here, and then pay attention to the float. The float is good because it's like demand and supply. When you have less float, more money is going to chase it. But if the company has less capital, probability is that the stock was in cents like last Friday. So if you have a stock around 60 cents and that stock has gone up all the way to $2 cents, are you gonna still sit there and say you want more? No, people, even naturally, people are gonna start to sell and make money, and then it's hard for you to go back again. So as a beginner trader, all that I can tell you, it's always pay attention to the market capital. And if you want videos like this and you want me to break down everything and let you know how you're going to follow the institutional traders and follow trade with the big boys, join me and subscribe to my channel. It's at T Smart 202. Take care.